Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I made in two trades. I made $955. Then total it was about 25 minutes. So here you can see I choose the Nasdaq and I notice the pattern. I draw a triangle. I have two indicators, RSI and the volume. This is the 2-minute chart. I don't like it naked, almost naked like that. So when I draw Fibonacci extension, and I said the market is around the 500, which is the line that's the all American happens around that line. So you can see there is the candle, the red one, it pierces that level, but the market trying to reject and going higher than that. But that at that time when it senses there is high chances, there is the odd in my favor according to my rules and skills that I developed throughout the past 3 years of trading, then the market can reach and hit the target that I set for. So I can see the market now is reversing. I don't trust the market that much, but I trust myself and my skills. You can see the market has just pierced the orange line, which is the EMA line, the 200 EMA. This is mean the odds in our favors and the market going exactly the direction that I set for him. So as you know, the market is a place of chaos. Some people call the size of chaos, and there's only one way to overcome the chaos is to come with set of rules and in order to place the order. So the order out of chaos. So my rules here is always something that is always to trust myself and trust my skills. I'm gonna in further videos what I'm gonna share with you my rules, but for now I just want you to sit with me and watch how I made the $955 in 20 minutes taking two trades. As you can see, the market now is going exactly my direction, but there is a strong rejection always around the 25 line of the Fibonacci. So just follow here as it's going up, as it's struggling, going up and down. You see the candle. I have faith into two candles. The red one, how is it piercing, and the third one, you can see how it pierced back down. And here is the market. Now we're gonna show his card, and we just need to sit and wait and collect our money. As you can see, the candle here is trying to go. It was undecided, so the market was undecided around this candle. So now we see, so the 7 candle now, where's the market decided to go to our direction, and now I feel more confident. So I added another contract, which means now I'm going with 2 contracts. You don't need more than 1-2 contracts. Some people go for micro contract, which is I highly recommend for beginners. But once you reach the level of being like develop your skills and experience, so now we can go for a contract, a regular one, contract and 2, no more than that. Again, no more than 2 contracts a trade. So there is, you can see there is a psychology here. The market is going back, but I am confident you can reach the market, reach the 50, around the 50 of the candle, the red candle, just the half of it, which is their chances the market again is gonna reverse and going to our direction and not to go to the opposite direction. So now just wait and see. There you go. There you go. I'm now start to doubt why the market is showing the strong rejection around the number, and then in the 5-minute chart showed me that there is the 50 SMA line, which is normal. Why the market showed a little bit of rejection, but now as the market went close to our target but didn't hit it, I'm like, okay, well, let's get out, take a breather, right, and then go back if needed. So now I managed to get $425. You can see at 400, around 400 and something. I don't see the number that very well, but yes. So again, I took another trade with 2 contracts. Now I went full on aggressive because now I saw the market, how the market shown his card. So as I'm going for the second trade, and as you can see, I pushed a little bit the target a little bit further than it was in previous trade. So just there sitting and waiting to collect again that profit. As you can see, the profit going up, and there you go, $955.